Welcome back. In this video, I show you the flight. Malaysian Airlines MH132 Airbus A330 from Auckland to Kuala Lumpur. Auckland Airport is small but well organized. This is the way to go up for security check. From that entrance onwards, passengers only area. No video allowed. This is after security. Way to gates through duty-free shops. This is the way to premium lounges. Malaysian Airlines is attached to Strata Lounge. I published a separate video on my visit to Strata Lounge. It is 12:50 a.m. Boarding now. I had my dinner in Strata Lounge. Next, let me show you business seats. Going through few economy seats. Seat arrangements are left side start with all single window seats. Then in the middle all are double seats. In the left start with H and K are alternate single and double seats. My seat is 6K. I like my seat. It is window seat. And sitting in the middle with two side storage places. In front and back of my seat are double seats. Lot of leg room for flatbed. Hot towel is provided, and the seat adjustment controls are to my left. Good blanket and bed sheets are also kept in the seat. Coat hanger is just right front side of the seat. And welcome drink. I opted for water. Also to my left there is a small cabin with meter. It is suitable for keeping mobiles and specs. And there is reading light, remote and charging points, a USB and plug point. These seat controls are useful while sleeping. Slippers are also provided. It is time to start. Safety video is played. Life jacket is to my right at the bottom. It's time for takeoff, and I will be back after takeoff. Okay, the gift bag is here. Let us see what is inside. Inside, I can see socks, eye mask, dental kit, lip balm, and some body cream, facial mist, and perfumed Pulse Point rollerball. At first, salted peanuts and drinks are provided. This is the menu booklet for business class. Let us look at that. This is the history of SAC, Malaysian Airlines signature dish. Now, let us look at the toilet. Nothing great. It is just as usual, well stocked. In the night, I skipped my dinner. Instead opted for some fruits. This is meal before landing. Seasonal fresh fruits. Wanola smoothie yogurt served with granola and berry compote. And the main course, I opted for nasi lemak chicken rendang. That is rice cooked in coconut milk and pandan leaves, with spicy chili paste and boiled egg. Taste is really good. Flight landed in Satellite Terminal. Walking toward the center to Golden Launch.